Alright guys, I want to welcome you to my new channel, ModThisHackThat. I've been in the YouTube space for more years than I want to remember. My main channel is PB Stuff Co. I'll link to that in the description, but I've had that for many years and have put a whole smorgasbord of different videos on there. I think about 160 or so. But in various spaces, all related to consider myself a maker, DIYer, in the space of electronics and whatnot. And I've been thinking that I need to sort of branch off a little bit. That channel has really kind of started to rise in the space of RC crawlers, and I sort of want to keep it in that space. But I do want to make a space for all of the other work I do, because most of the work I do does cross over in the space of microcontrollers and 3D printing and whatnot. And you know, as they say, a picture says 1,000 words, and this really summarizes, you know, what I do. You know, from anything in the space of RC remote control, 3D printing, customization, microcontrollers and programming, modifications. Even there's a piece for Lego here because I've got a whackload of Lego of my many years working in the Lego space. So what my initial plans are for this channel are, I tend to get, you know, I buy a lot of stuff. I don't really get much sent to me. I'm very open to that. Maybe this channel, who knows, maybe it's going to explode. But, you know, I tend to do a bit of review when I build my things as well. So I will use different controllers, write code, customize them for something, and you know, also provide some input on what products I like, what products I don't like. So I'm going to use this channel as a space to, you know, do a number of things, but, you know, show off my mods, do how-tos when possible, you know, do product reviews, so to say. So I will give my transparent point of view on those things. You know, I'm not here to be bribed and whatnot, to say good things for products. So that's space I plan on staying in. But yeah, again, you know, hopefully you're kind of identifying unique things in here, but really this is the space I play in. So again, welcome to the channel. Stay tuned. I don't know the frequency I'll get to. My end game is going to be maybe at least a video a week. I try to keep them short, you know, get to the point if I can. Where possible, provide links to the products, code if I'm writing something on a microcontroller, and then there's code involved. If it's 3D printed, then in some cases I will share up. I do share up a lot of stuff in my Maker World account, so I'll link to that in the description as well. Right now I'm doing a lot. I've got about 55 models in my Maker World account that I share for free, and I have some in my Cults account that I charge a very small fee for. So I'll share those up as well. But yeah, if you you know, stick around, subscribe. Appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Plenty of fun stuff to come, and you will, you know, again, get that in the space of remote control RC crawling. You'll get in the space of sort of Arduino ESP32 space. I like to do a lot of work with LEDs and NeoPixels, be it custom lighting. Got a lot of videos on this in my PB Stuff Co account, but I'm going to do more in the future. Who knows where I'm going to go with it, but I love NeoPixels, and I love, you know, my go-to right now microcontrollers are ESP32s. They're just great little devices. So anyway, yeah, thank you again.